Hello, this is AI Thinker. Knock electronic wooden fish, enjoy your life. You must be familiar with electronic wooden fish. Today, our engineer Joshua will share it with you. The development process of electronic wooden fish. This electronic wooden fish was developed by AI PySS1. The shell file we print is from this ID belonging.
Just burn the program into it. I will talk about it later. Look, put it on the workstation and try to catch it. Decompression toys. Fire STFO. Open the LVGL design software. Then let's use the project I created before. Here we have the components. One is label. We can output our text here. Our output 功德加1 means the merit add 1. Then select the font size to 16. The color can be changed by yourself if you like it. Then the second component is our picture button. Just click on this above the picture. Then what you need to pay attention is that here I need to put the pictures. The first one is of our wooden fish with normal state size. This is a relatively large wooden fish picture. Then confirm. The second picture is this. After pressing it, there will be a small wooden fish picture. We simulate the effect after we press it. This is mainly these two components of these two events. And then we need to add an event. Let's choose a picture here. Then there is an event control here. After clicking, you can see that there are many events added. There is one. Pressed. Click it. After pressing, you will be able to see that. Here you can select the component you already have. For some of these two components, choose a label. This is my text box. Here are the basic settings. Let's show it first. This is mainly a mobile features. For example, after you press, this text will move. Then choose which position you want to move. Just say that after we move, you can choose this coordinate by yourself. As long as the x-coordinate remains unchanged, y-coordinate changes. This is how you can form the effect of moving up and down of text box. Then here is its animation. We choose linear. Here is the duration of the entire animation. For example, 50 milliseconds. Then check here. Then just choose 50 milliseconds. Here need to add a setting. That is the release. In some cases, this label will be selected after release. After this release, it will return to his original position. Others said that after we put down the button, it will return to this original position. Then what you need to pay attention to here is this. This option is hidden. That is, it will move upward when we press it. Then it will be hidden when released and return to this original position. Just click on our wooden fish, and then this is an effect that keeps moving. After clicking, a UI design is completed like this. Then you can simulate it and run it here. Just long press it, and it will have a moving effect. Long press will move up. Then the merit will increase, release will disappear, and then return to the original position. This is our UI design process. Put the contents in the project file we just generated. This custom and this generate. Copy these two folders. Then put it in our template files. That is our UI. Replace these two here. Others just need drag it over from the radar wake-up components. See, there are a bunch of HC documents. Just drag this here. Then pay attention to the settings. As for the driver of our screen, to select this definition, this LCD and this SPI are followed by the suffix AI. This is our screen driver. Well, one more thing to note is this. There are two pictures and images below this generate. There is no such macro definition. You have to define this manually. The same goes for the one below. These two pictures. These are the two pictures after we click and release. In this way, we are done with LVGL. Then pay attention to this that it need to add one thread in Mian. That is our LVGL refresh task. Just create a thread for it using our TOS method. And our wooden fish needs to transplant a voice. That is, there is a sound after we turn on the device. Here, first create a folder for this voice. Put some drivers of our 8388. Then the specific method is here. 8388 driver. Here is a function to play wooden fish. This is to call this interface. It says driver. You just need to call the play voice interface. Two macros need to be defined here. If it needs to use this parameter, then need a starting address for our audio file and the size of his audio files. Here we have defined. This is the starting address of the flash of his audio file and size. Then the audio files are placed here in music. Mainly after you put it in. Add a wooden fish here in this burn. The file you choose to burn is this wooden fish. The following file. Then display the address. In this way, we will burn it into our flash. Have to be aware of is this audio file provide a 44K Hz sampling rate. After programming is completed, this 8388 audio interface in this event. This is our corresponding event. You can see that there are two handles here. This is an LVGL event, this pressed event, and this release event. When we press, call this interface for playing audio. You can play audio. Just like this, an electronic wooden fish is completed. Finally, just burn the program.
That is it for today's video. Related tutorial posts can be viewed on the AI Thinker's firmware and source code have also been uploaded simultaneously. If you see this, give it a thumbs up. Bye bye.